This video is for teaching staff so that you can kind of have a guide of how to set up a Google Meet or Google Hangout. What you're going to need to do is go into Google, and when you click on these dots up here, you're going to want to be in Google Calendar, which is what I'm in right now. In Google Calendar, you're going to go to Create, and you're going to create the title of whatever it is that you want to be going live with in your Google Hangout. So I'm just going to call this morning meeting practice. And I'm going to use my son as an example just because I have the access to his stuff. And I'm going to make this for tonight at 9:00 p.m. You're then going to go to add guests. You don't need to know your students' full email address. You just type in their name and click who you want to add. I'm going to show another way to do this should you want to do like your whole class. This would just be for a few students if you don't want to have to add everybody from your class in one at a time. I'm going to show you a different way. There might be an easier way and I just don't know of it yet, so I'll show you guys what I figured out. And then I'm going to come down here to save. You want to make sure it says Join Hangouts Meet. And you can always change your calendar as well. It doesn't necessarily change where it's going, it just changes the color coding of your calendar. So I'm going to click Save. And it's going to ask if I want to send invitation emails to those guests. And I'm going to click Send. Now you can see that it is right here, and when I click on it, it pops up in this little square here, and where it says Join Hangouts Meet, there's this copy conference link to clipboard. That is if you didn't want to invite every person in your class, you could just click this and copy the link and then go up into your Google Classroom and you would then make a post and just paste the link in there. And that way, instead of having to send an email to each of your kids, you just need to make sure that they know to get into their Google Classroom and to click on that link, because it won't send them a reminder or even a notification when you copy and paste it into your Google Classroom. They're going to need to know to go into Google Classroom and click on the link. So back to my calendar. My next video is going to be what it would look like if you're a student and how does that show up on your iPad from Google Meet if a teacher sends you it through either Google Classroom or through an invite.